Alright, what's up everybody? Make sure this volume's up. Hopefully I'm loud enough for everybody to hear me. This is going to be episode number 9 of PUBG Play. It is 12/6/2024, a Friday. So happy Friday everybody. Hope you guys are looking forward to the weekend. Whether it may be work or whatever it may be. Let's have a safe weekend. As always, unscripted, unedited. We're just gonna get into it. Last episode didn't play out too well. I think it was 57th, which is terrible. What else? Let's think. It's kind of hard when it's unscripted. We're gonna look at all the stats after this is all said and done. But pumping out videos, 311 videos. One thing about a lot of these videos, some of them are like, why did I post that? People are actually gonna like that video. It's all an algorithm anyway. I mean, some of the videos that I thought were gonna be good videos haven't got much views, but I guess the views come with the subscribers, and right now we're sitting at 85, so I think we're close to 70s, mid-70s last video I posted. So shout out to all the subscribers and people that take the time. I know some of these PUBG Play videos can be long, especially if you're getting into the top 10. You're looking at a 25-30 minute video. So anyway, we're gonna go land in Pachinki, my second favorite place to land. As I've been playing, I've noticed that a lot of places that I'm not aware of, like I don't land too often in, I've been pretty much getting exposed. So I have a routine with Pachinki, and I like to land in the prison as well. But if the flight doesn't cross those and I have to go somewhere else, I'm like a chicken with its head cut off because I'm not familiar, which is not good. So probably should start landing other places. I've been landing in the ruins a few times. I actually made a video about I don't know how many kills it was, maybe 13, I can't remember, 7 or 13, just in the ruins. So if you like this content, you should check out that video. I thought it was a pretty good video, but you might not think so. So anyway, still unranked. I know I'll go over this after this match, but I'm still unranked in solo wins. I think I'm like 12 off, 11 off. I don't know, it might have changed, but we'll take a look. And the dude that's in first place is by far like 150 more wins than second place. So first place is just not realistic. I'll be happy with top 5, but right now I'm more be happy with just even getting into the ranking. And of course the Conqueror push is always in play. I believe that that will be successful this time. Just can't make stupid mistakes, and like right now, like 87th place would suck. There's no protection on the ranking. you're losing 30, 40 points. So just got to be smart, and you really got to be prepared to sit for half an hour at a time, because I have it on random 10, so this is the most common map, ERANGEL, so hopefully not get killed by one of these freaking bombs that are about to drop. Got an M16A4 with a 6 scope and a Ace-32 with a 3 scope right now. I like the 6 scope. Somebody out here shooting. I can't see him though. I see him. See, he pops his head up. Ooh, courageous. Is he brave enough to do it again? Ooh, stick and move. Oh, he ducked. To be honest, I usually like to, I just made a short actually called Stick and Move. But not the way that, it's kind of hard to explain. When I think of Stick and Move, I'm thinking about shooting, right? And that guy doesn't die, I'm moving, because he's got his sights on me. If he doesn't move, so if I move, he has to readjust. I think that's, especially for new players, it's a common mistake, is this just sit the same spot, do a shootout. If you move and adjust, you throw the person off, I think. And they're not over this 8 scope. Nice. Somebody's locked in on you, man. It's a wrap. Right there. If he was a better player, maybe he is a good player, I don't know, but maybe it was a bad decision. But if he made a better decision, probably could have had me. Somebody shoot me from a distance. I know he's not. Sometimes it's not necessarily hit the sights, you know. If it's a close range, I'm just spraying and praying. Chinkies are always fun. You're always going to get a lot of people there. Urban combat type style. And if you watch the previous videos, you'll know that I basically try to clear this whole street out. And then, as much as I hate campers, I camp. And I usually have the 8 scope, and I just look at my surroundings, try to get some easy kills. Not always successful, but a lot of times. I mean, I die. Oh, dude. Screwed. I'm an easy target right now. Fuck. Come on. Oh. So I say, God loves me. I don't even know what I was saying. Fuck. They're like both in the same spot, but they're looking for me. Oh yeah, camping. He's gonna bum rush me. Oh. Looks like it. They're both here, dude. Are they on the same team? So, yeah, I usually sit up. Well, we'll see if I make it over there. A couple close calls here. This fucking red zone. Excuse my language. This red zone, dude. This is. It gets ultra annoying. I already had it twice. I just made a short of me riding in a buggy and getting blown up by one of these freaking bombs. Sucks. It's almost as bad as accidentally jumping out of a moving car and dying. Oh shit. Fuck. Got some action, dude. Fucking okay. Well, I see this motherfucker. Oh, this comes whatsoever. M16. What a difference. Kind of exposed my whole body there, though. And I know there's another dude here with something vicious. He almost took me out. Ay, ay, ay. M16A4. Definitely more of a stable weapon. This Ace 32, definitely not good for long range. Trying to scope somebody up. It's more of a spray and pray type of weapon. Like I mentioned earlier. Not even worth. Trying to scope somebody. So I was getting shot by two different people there. Well, that probably helps with the stability, but I ain't gonna get rid of this. I gotta get rid of one of these weapons. Neither of them are really something I want to hold on the whole time. So if I find something, some type of sniper rifle or mini 14 would be nice. I'm gonna switch out. Okay, so guys, see my personal text messages. Looks like somebody's getting some tattoos. 120 for both. They're very tiny tattoos, but oh, I'm trapped. This guy's in here. rounds left. Honestly, I'll take an AKM over the 35 rounds. I think the UMP is a very underrated weapon. VSS is a good weapon too, but you need an extended clip. UMP's lightweight. I say it's versatile. I'm gonna drop in here. Get rid of these. 42, so that'll get me a somebody's coming. I gotta find a it's right up there. Turning my 1684 for MK14. Or DSR, I mean. Now I want to that car's still there, so I can jump into that. And we got to get moving here. What happened there? Yeah, I mean, same routine could be kind of boring. But look, 35 players left, 6 kills. This level, still haven't been able to reach 20 kills in the ERANGEL map. I think to reach that goal in solo, being at Pachinki is probably one of the best bets. But I haven't really been aggressive lately with trying to get the 20. I don't want to die early, man. I'm trying to get to the Conqueror. One of the goals. Main goals. Whoa. Fat fingers, dude. I gotta find another car. Or run for freaking 518 meters. 8 open areas. I got this new puppy, and I've been trying to. Took a crap on my rug the other night. It was like 3 in the morning, so now I'm setting my alarm for. Last night I set it for 4 and let him out. So I'm gonna gradually push it from 4 a.m. to 4:30, you know, so on. So he. I don't know. My thought process is that eventually you'll go to the bathroom at 7 a.m. in the morning instead of 3 in the morning. So, see how that goes. somebody over here. Oh, it's for the gram. Little photo. But there's somebody over here. Don't want to get shot trying to take a photo. They see me? They definitely see me. Let's go. I gotta find them. Where are they? Come out and play. They want me to go run into this area here. Get blasted. I'm not doing it. Just sometimes patience is the key. All I know though is this dude ran. I think he's still in here. Just waiting for me to make a dumb move. I don't see him, so I'm gonna probably have to hit this. Oh, there he is. He has to run his ass over. Yeah. Take it. So I go to the drop box. Is pretty powerful. 69, but I'll skip on it. Open field type of fight. My life right there trying to set up that fucking kill. Stupid. That goes back to me saying, like I said, engaging. Dude already has the upper hand on me. Guess you could say I was lucky to stop at that drop, because that was a what? Yeah, dude. I mean, that was like a number level 2 helmet or something. probably toast. I don't know if anybody else is gonna show up here at the prison. Let's see. Move in a couple minutes. I gotta get going. Yeah. Nothing to do with me. I believe it was over here somewhere. Any Molotovs? This is crazy. I'm gonna keep moving. He's got a good spot. Can't see him. He's probably in that building, so I'm gonna try to avoid any contact with this guy. Shit. Next to my car. I'm not sure if that's the same dude. Woohoo! There we go. Probably the best episode so far. Alright, well, Ace 5. I believe the next ranking up is Ace Dominator. See some statistics. So is that 11 kills? Pretty action-packed, I think. Stats. Kill-death ratio has been going up. Happy with that. 5.23, 41 wins, 76 top 10s, 157 matches played. Here's my last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Well, consistent still, I guess you can say. You got first place, you go 33rd, lose 13, 35 on second place, fourth place, 20, then you lose 2 late, 29 and 13 points. And, 96, negative 40 is just murder. And then back to back first places, gotta love it. that's looking good. Then we go into the rankings. 70%. Almost there. Target, conquer, region. I have 38 first place wins. Look at this. 165. It's insane. 85, 84. Need to get to 50. An uphill climb. I think I'll make ranking. I just don't know how deep I'm gonna get. 70 seems like a stretch now. But Conqueror is definitely in play. Alright, well, I don't want to keep everybody too long. This was, I believe, the best PUBG play video yet. Episode 9. Cycle 7, Season 21. Again, if you like this content, please subscribe, comment, like, hit the alert button. I'm constantly pushing out videos. Some not necessarily good, some are good. I think there's some hidden gems in there that people haven't watched, mostly shorts. But I think this episode was a hidden gem for sure. So thanks for stopping by, and I will catch you guys on the next.